Space, the final frontier. For as long as the technology has existed to get to space, humans have had an insatiable desire to reach the stars. This holds true with America's space program, NASA, as the country has invested approximately $601 billion into it since its inception in 1958. With these funds, NASA has been able to send many satellites and humans up into space to show us our world from a different perspective, as well as what lies beyond. Since NASA's creation, countries such as China, Russia, and South Korea have been following suit, creating space exploration programs to try their hand at exploring the great unknown. However, America still stands as the leader in space technology, with more money and resources being invested into NASA than any other country's programs. To be the greatest at anything as a country is something to be proud of. But as we make our way further into the 21st century, people have begun to question just how crucial NASA is to our future as a country. Private space exploration businesses have existed since the mid-70s, but it wasn't until recently in the 2010s that the industry exploded. One of the most notorious success stories in this market can be seen in SpaceX, a company created by Elon Musk in 2002, with the intention of reducing space exploration costs in order to allow for the colonization of Mars. Musk, who's been in the public eye a lot in recent years for performing feats such as sending one of his cars up into space just because he felt like it, believes that his company will be sending ships to Mars within the next 4 years. Even without the funding that NASA receives from the federal government, SpaceX has been able to accomplish far more than any other private space exploration program has in the past. So, if we do have people like Musk who are promising advancements as huge as the colonization of Mars, why exactly does America need a NASA? Well, in short, it would be ill-advised to get rid of the program altogether, as a space program is something that most well-developed countries have. However, there are definitely other places where America could be spending the money which they invest into NASA. Things like homeless shelters, mental health care, and welfare for veterans are all pivotal parts for a country as advanced as the United States. Yet much of the time, such programs get overlooked by people in the place of more glamorous programs such as NASA. With the $21 billion that the government invests annually into space exploration, millions of people could be given the help that they need and deserve, making for a healthier, stronger, and more successful country. There may be an infinite number of planets waiting out there to be explored, but at the end of the day, there's only one which we need to be worrying about.